is being recently acquiring a new dog.
I know that.
These are the rules for Christmas from the dog's point of view. Be especially patient with your humans during this time. They may appear to be more stressed out than usual, and they will appreciate long, comforting dog leans. They may come home with large bags of things they call gifts. Don't assume all the gifts are yours. Be tolerant if your humans put decorations on you. They seem to get some special kind of pleasure out of seeing how you look with fake antlers. They may bring a large tree into the house and set it up in a prominent place and cover it with lights and decorations. Bizarre as this may seem to you, it is an important ritual for your humans, so there are some things you need to know. Don't pee on the tree. Don't drink the water in the container that holds the tree. Mind your tail when you are near the tree. If there are packages under the tree, even ones that smell interesting, that have your name on them, don't rip them open. Don't chew on the cords that run from that funny-looking thing in the wall. Your humans may occasionally invite lots of strangers to come visit during this season. These parties can be lots of fun, but they also call for some discretion on your part. Not all strangers appreciate kisses and leans. Don't eat off the buffet table. Beg for goodies subtly. Be pleasant, even if unknowing strangers sit on your sofa. Don't drink out of the glasses that are left within your reach. Likewise, your humans may take you visiting. Here your manners will also be important. Observe all the rules for trees that may be in other people's houses. Respect the territory of other animals that may live in the house. Tolerate children and turn on the charm big time. A big man with a white beard and a loud laugh may emerge from your fireplace in the middle of the night. Please don't bite him. As an aside to that, I once had a rescue dog. She was very large. Kentucky River Husky. And I made the error of leaving a couple of parcels on the living room floor, one of which contained a quantity of liqueur chocolates. When I arrived home, the wrappers were there, and the dog was showing some very interesting symptoms. So I called the vet down in Shubenacadie and explained what had happened, and after she finished laughing, she said there wasn't going to be too much I needed to worry about, except I had one extremely drunk dog that was going to have diarrhea.